针又在下面。
I will show you this case. When the machine is under running condition, if by mistake you press stop button, and in this case the needle is stop at the bottom side. You can see. In this case, you cannot press reset button directly. You need to go to menu page 的手动哈，然后 and then go to several operation. Just put it by menu. Solve the problem by menu. You can see. Make it go to 等下，你点加就是等下。Plus arrow. That means it will go to center.
避开那个线最下面看到。
And then go to Z 这个Z Excel. Make it up. 你看它点到位。才刚刚可以按复位的是吧？
才可以按复位。
Okay, in this condition, you can press reset button, so it will not damage the winding mouse. 可以的啊。